In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Telegram login problem on Android and iPhone. 1. Check internet connection. Before troubleshooting, ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Open a browser or load a few websites to verify. 2. Restart Telegram. First close the Telegram app on Android by long pressing its icon. Tap in the info icon and then select Force Stop. On iPhone, just swipe up from the bottom to access the app switcher. Locate Telegram and swipe upwards to close it. Reopen the app and attempt to log in again. 3. Authenticate via phone call. If you're not receiving the authentication code, please opt to authentication via phone call. 4. Reset password. If you suspect an incorrect password, especially with two-factor authentication enabled, reset your password. Open your Telegram, enter your phone number, and tap Forget Password and follow the prompts. 5. Wait. If you receive a too many attempts message, wait for approximately 24 hours before trying to log in again. 6. Check date and time settings. On Android, open Settings, General Management, Date and Time, and enable automatic data and time. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and toggle on Set Automatically. And lastly, ensure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed. Check for updates on the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone and install any available updates. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.